like it a lot.
You like it a lot. It's
Yes.
beautiful. Oh, this is the hot item.
Feel this. It is so heavy.
Uh-huh.
And you got, for $20, you're getting beautiful stuff.
Oh, wow. So, guys, this is the hot item I'm hearing from Trader Joe's, the seasonal dish garden. You're getting it in your counter, huh? You're gonna
I like it. I like it a lot.
You like it a lot. It's
Yes.
beautiful. Yes, guys. I can't wait.
Nice.
She's grabbing it, guys. This is $19.99, and supposedly this is the hot item of the season. The seasonal dish garden comes with poinsettias, and then a lemon cypress, and then some other flowers that I don't know. But yes, this is the deal to get. If you're at Trader Joe's, come at Trader Joe's because it's going fast. I can tell you this is a sizable pot. This is not a light pot, so you are definitely getting your money's worth. It's very heavy, so if you pick it up, be careful. But yes, you're definitely going to enjoy this seasonal dish garden planter because it comes with an array of different flowers, and it's just absolutely beautiful. Hot item of the season. This is $6.99 for these poinsettias. I thought that they were $12.99, but I made a mistake. So $6.99 for the poinsettias come like this, that you get 8 in a pot. You cannot beat that. And you have different color arrangements as well, just not your typical red, yellow, or orange. It comes in a variety of colors. You got the waterless amaryllis bulbs. Wow, and they have the colors right on the tag, which I love, so I know what I'm buying. Now, from what I understand, the bigger the bulb, the better. So when picking out an amaryllis, you want to get a big full bulb. That way you'll have more flowers. So the bigger, the better. And also, just don't look at the stems that's coming out. Feel the bulb. Is it nice and firm? Is it squishy? Does it look old? Does it look like it has any mold growing on it? You want to get a bulb that's nice and sturdy and firm and no dents in it. So choose one that looks the best. Maybe it may not have a lot of stems coming out, but if you choose a healthy bulb, that bulb will last for you and it will produce more blooms. This is a big pot for $8.99. Look at that. It's fuchsia. I love it. Beautiful, very full pot. If you're looking to get a Christmas cactus, and it comes in fuchsia and pink and a lavender tree. Beautiful. Can you imagine this on your windowsill? It's absolutely adorable. It's $10.99. So guys, they're getting some new inventory, so run to Trader Joe's before it's all gone. They have calla lilies for $6.99. This one's a white one, and this pretty one back here, which is fuchsia. Absolutely gorgeous. Now, if you live in zones 7 and higher, calla lilies will come back if you just plant them in the ground. If you're into herbs, they got this beautiful rosemary tree, this ornamental rosemary tree for $10.99. $17.99, this whole thing. And it comes with 3 amaryllis bowls and a plant. And here's a generic $12.99 house plant. Comes with this shiny silver bowl. So hey, New Year's Eve is around the corner, so this is really, really cute if you want to dazzle your guests. This one is gold. That's right. You are ready for the holiday season, ready to party with this house plant. Guys, this is the Grump Tree Lemon Cypress. So it's like the Grinch, and this is another popular decorative Christmas plant with a little bulb on the top. How cute. How cute is that? You don't have the Hellebores, right? That's what I came for, Hellebores.
We got them for like
we had them.
They're gone. Okay, I'm going to try another Trader Joe's. Thank you so much. Right. We may have struck gold. Oh, yes, they have dozens of Hellebores here. Look at them. I should have came here in the first place. Look at that. Beautiful. And it comes in this pretty pot, too. Awesome. It looks green. It looks lush. I already have white. But look at this. $25.99 for this arrangement here. I like the decorative snow on it. But yes, it is. It is real. This is a real plant. This is a real plant. So we can't just stay outside. We got to go indoors and see what they have. Oh, they have fairy lights for $14.99. all the frenzy that's here, okay? Lots of people buying flowers. So if you do have a Trader Joe in your area, get to it now because it's not going to last. These holiday plants are not going to last. Here are some more poinsettias for $14.99. Big and beautiful. They look nice. They look very, very full. There's that guy staring at me, looking at me, saying, "What are you doing, lady?" Yes, I'm filming a video. That's right, I'm filming a video. Oh my God, look at these cute little ones. Hyacinths. They have hyacinth bulbs. These are the first bulbs that come out in the spring, and they're very, very tiny. You can see it says white hyacinth glass, and it comes in a glass like this. And these are $3.49. They have lots of people getting the poinsettias that are on sale, and this lady right here, she has like 2 poinsettias in her basket. And guys, what I love about Trader Joe's is that they have so many flowers to choose from, even the artificial kind. The flowers here are always fresh and they always look new. So I love their bouquets here. They range from $4.99, $7.99, $3.99, $6.99. They have a host of different prices that are in your price range. They always look good. They hold up very well. And you can't beat the roses. Wow, just take a look at the roses. Beautiful roses, because you know Valentine's Day is in about a couple of weeks right after the new year. So here they have some beautiful red roses on sale. You know what else I love about Trader Joe's? Their orchids. All of them are $14.99. Now I don't have the best luck with orchids. I do manage to keep them alive for at least 2 to 3 years, but after I think 2 to 3 years they start to die. But if you're interested in getting orchids, they have a whole variety of orchids here. They have white, these spotted ones, pink ones, and they all look healthy. Now, when deciding on what to get when an orchid, you always want to look at the leaves. You want to make sure the leaves are nice and sturdy and standing up. You really kind of don't want to look at the flowers that much, but if you do want to look at the flowers, make sure they have buds in them, so you will get a successional bloom, meaning that you'll get continuous bloom. And I know, guys, this always comes with just put 3 ice cubes. You don't want to put ice cubes on your orchids. Orchids are tropical plants and they like warmth and humidity. They don't like to have ice put on their soil, or just forget about putting the ice in it. Just water your orchids accordingly and be careful not to overwater. Really, orchids don't need a lot of water. You can water your orchid at least like once a month and they will be fine. If you're interested in organic herbs, this is $2.49, and they have herbs, oregano, sage, mint. So, I mean, you don't only have to get flowers, you can also get herbs. And here are some wreaths for $3.99. Just pack it like that. They just come in the set. And you get a small one, a small wreath like this. This one's $8.99. And if you want something plain, you can get this one. And that's also $8.99, I think. $12.99, this wreath set comes with 2 cones. And this one's $12.99. Go. Yes. $14.11. Perfect. So that's it. That's the end of my quest for holiday plants at Trader Joe's. You may want to look at the big box stores because they do sell Hellebores in the early spring, sometimes for $9.99, but I feel like these plants at these regular companies and the smaller companies take care of their plants a little better than the big box stores. Again, if you live in a warmer climate, Hellebores are great too. They're evergreens. They're considered evergreens, so their leaves stay green all year round, and that's really something that we love here in the colder zones, because when everything's brown and ugly, we need some color in our garden, and this definitely screams color. Guys, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel, Determined Gardener. Don't don't forget to hit that sub button, that like button, and share this video with your family and friends. Let me know if you plan on visiting your local Trader Joe's and what you plan on getting there. I know plants is definitely something that I love at Trader Joe's when I go there. So again, thank you so much for joining me here on my channel. Remember, as always, stay rooted.